Good morning students. Today's video is on exercise 1.3 of class 10 chapter 1 mathematics. I have already made a video of how to prove that root of a prime number is irrational, like root of 2, root of 3, root of 5, root of 7, root of 11. These are prime numbers and how to prove that their root is irrational. I will post the link in the above icon. You can check the link there. And next start with the another question that prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. These questions are important students, and most of the time there are 90 to 95% chances these questions will come in your exam, in the final board exam. So these are very important question. Each year there is these questions are in about 3 to 4 marks in the final board exam. The entire first chapter is of 6 marks, and only this type of questions are covering the 3 or 4 marks, so these are quite important in the first chapter. So let's start with the second question. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Exercise 1.3 question number second. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, 3 plus 2 root 5. First, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Okay, so it can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, simply like in the previous one. Now 2 root 5 is equal to PQ minus 3. P upon Q minus 3 here. So P minus 3Q 2 root 5. Okay, this here we simply take LCM. Now root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q upon 2Q. Got the answer here? So look at this. This is root 5 and this is P minus 3Q upon 2Q. This P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. Can be any integers. So if we write left hand side, this is equal to irrational. And when we look at right hand side, P minus 3Q upon 2Q, it is equal to rational, because the answer comes from here is rational. This is also rational because of the commutative property and associativity. So this is irrational equal to rational, which contradicts our supposition. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Okay students, this question can be of either of 2 marks or can be either of 4 marks. In case it is in 2 marks, you have to just solve this part only. Here we have root 5 irrational, and if this question come like prove that root 5 is irrational, and then prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, or this question comes in 4 marks just to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, in that case you have to prove first that root 5 is irrational in 4 marks. Okay, if it is in 2 marks, you need not to prove root 5 is irrational, but if this question comes in 4 marks, you first prove that root 5 is irrational number. Okay, now let's move on to this third part. Prove that the following are irrational. I will do the one of this question as first part, question number third, first part. Question number third, first part, 1 by root 2. We need to prove 1 by root 2 is irrational. This same thing, if this question comes in 2 marks, simply we need to prove that this is irrational, and we assume that 1 by 2 is irrational. Okay, in that case which if this question comes in 1 or 2 marks, that 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 by root 2. Okay, so root 2 is irrational, so 1 by root 2 is also irrational. If this question comes in 1 or 2 marks, that the product of rational numbers is also need not to be rational or irrational. So this is 1 by root 2 is equal to irrational. We can also solve it is as 1 by root 2 divided by root 2, that is root 2 by 2, and 1 by 2 multiplied by root 2. The another way, 1 by root 2 is rational and this is irrational. The product of rational and irrational is always product of rational and irrational is always irrational. You can do this in both cases, but I prefer this one because we sometimes we cannot write root 2 in the denominator. Some teachers make because this is the wrong way of writing, so go with this one. Okay, next move on to the next other question, that 6 plus root 2. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Third part, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So let's start with assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational and 6 plus root 2 is equal to p upon q. Q not equal to 0. P and q are integers. Okay, root 2 is equal to pq. Here the 6 is in plus, and when we move it to the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes of negative. P minus 2q upon 2 equal to root 2. Left hand side is irrational and right hand side is rational, which contradicts our supposition. So here is the answer. Okay, the exercise 1.3 is over now. In the next exercise 1.4, I will share some video before that in my YouTube link, so that you can come to know what are terminating and non-terminating, repeating, rational and irrational. You can check the links in the end of this video. So thanks for watching.